right, so nakilatan is lightning, right? Kilat is the root word for lightning. Dalugdug is thunder. Likay is to avoid or to evade something or somebody. You're just trying to avoid them or the situation. Kakirig-kirig, okay, so this one's to shiver in convulsions, right? Or to shake, or the body for to shake or to convulse, right? So like you're dancing, you're convulsing. It can also mean like violent convulsions because of a seizure or something, right? And it can lead to death or something like that. So kirig-kirig for like the body to convulse and shake. Gipanganak is himugso, and himugso is to give birth, right? So they all mean the same thing. Natao means to be born. Natauhan is a birthday. So just keep that in mind because I know they're very confusing terms, but very similar terms. Iusab-usab, so usab just means to do something again, but usab-usab means to flip-flop, like to go back and forth, like to reverse flip-flop, right? Usab-usab, yeah, keep doing it again and again and again, right? And that's how we get usba, right? So usaba or usba, right? And it means to like to refresh or to do again. Likod is the same as luyo, or luyo same as likod, the back side, right? The back side. In terms of location, luyo is the more proper word to use. Pahiluna is to get settled down, right? To get positioned for what's next and to be at ease, right? You're gonna be ready for whatever. So you're just settling yourself down. You're getting ready. You're calming yourself down. Maybe you're about to go to sleep. Maybe you're about to get an interview. Maybe you're just about to eat. So that's why you're just gonna adjust yourself, be at ease, make yourself comfortable, get settled, right? Pahiluna. Lahus is to go through, straight, right? Forward. Derecho is the other word that is the same as lahus, right? So lahus and derecho, they're the same. Utlanan is the boundary, the limit, the border, right? So just whatever border or limit, boundary, whatever is dividing is the utlanan. And finally, kumot. Kumot means to squeeze or crumple in your hands. You can squeeze things in your hands, crumple things in your hands like paper, crumple and squeeze things. You just have to use your hand like that. It's like you're squeezing it. Kumot.